er party í Kópavogi og það stoppar aldrei. Stoppar aldrei, 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 stoppar aldrei. Ég dett í kattan hjá matta, andlegri en Dalai Lama. Þegar fýra hafana og hala ert í sama pakka, má ég sjá þig skaka þessum hnakka gegnum Copacabana. Ég Cadillac kasta upp, kasta dubs, kasta þvægjert ekki lagi, benga hali K.O.P. Fokka fari í bæinn, kasta dubs með báðum, kasta dubs með tánum. Það gott að búa hér við Kópavog, en það erfitt að skilja eins og Gunnar Birgisson, sitjandi á rauðu leðri fyrir með rímu mitt hverfi. Staðan það sem glasrockarinn lokkaði, fyrst í klipp af K.O.P. en ekkert gett og shit. Þetta West Coast rap, í anda parlament og samt með blasir Kópavog spall. Svo sjúðu þetta drast, breytum Kópavogi í Belfast, við gefum ekki ras. Hey, ég á Kópavogi, ok? Stoppar aldrei, stoppar aldrei, stoppar aldrei, stoppar aldrei.
Breiðablik, first time. Why Breiðablik?
Oh, they show interest and I was happy and look at the club and stuff, and I was impressed of all the facilities, and the coach says some good words about it, and it was not a hard choice for me, and now only looking forward to start in the club and play games.
Okay, you played last time in Scotland, tell me.
Yeah, I was on loan from Ross County to Dundee United, and I think my last game was the 12th May, so
yeah.
I'm looking forward to train and stuff and get in shape again.
Yeah. And you played for in Denmark. You played for
Odense, OB, and I played for Fredericia and Vejle Bold Club. So yeah, I try some things, and now I'm looking forward to a new chapter, and that's I'm looking forward to.
When do you start training?
I can first start from 1st July, so but my contract is finished with the Ross County, so yeah.
And you are going to Edinburgh tomorrow and
no, next week, and I have to sort my car out and stuff, so I can be ready for this.
And you will be here in 1st of July, or?
I don't know yet. I have to first sort some things out, and but hopefully soon.
Yeah, but you cannot play until 15th of
July.
Yeah.
So I hope I get some training in my legs, but I don't think I'm in bad shape because I have worked out and stuff at home. So I think I'm ready.
Okay, thank you, Thomas.
You're welcome.
Yeah, no Kópavogi, okay? Yeah, no Kópavogi, okay?